he's meeting all the lovely people. Batman. Yes. What's your name?
Ajish.
Where's the twin brother? He's gonna walk. He's gonna pick up the 200. He's gonna run home. Are you happy to meet all these lovely people? Yeah.
Today we will giving iPhone 12.
Hi friends, welcome to another vlog. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ പോകാൻ പോകുന്നത് ഒരു കിടിലൻ ബേർഡ് ഷോ കാണാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്. ഈ കിടിലൻ ബേർഡ് ഷോ നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും കാണണം. കാരണം എന്താ പറയുക, ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് സ്പീഷ്യസ് ഓഫ് ബേർഡ്സ് ആണുള്ളത്. ആക്ച്വലി ഒരുപാട് തരം ബേർഡ്സ് ഉണ്ട്. പല പല രാജ്യങ്ങളിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ബേർഡ്സും അതുപോലെ ക്ലെവർ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ബേർഡ്സും കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ ഉണ്ട്. പിന്നെ ലോകത്തിലെ തന്നെ ഏറ്റവും വലിയ ഒരു എന്താ പറയുക, ലോകത്തിലെ ഏറ്റവും വലിയ ഫാൽക്കൺ തന്നെ അവിടെ വന്നിരുന്നു. അന്നായിരുന്നു ആ ഒരു ഫാൽക്കൻ്റെ എൻട്രി ആക്ച്വലി അവിടെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ടൈം. പിന്നെ ഈ വീഡിയോ കുറച്ച് ലെങ്തിയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും ഫുള്ളായിരുന്നു കാണുക. അടിപൊളി ഒരു വീഡിയോ ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് പോവാം. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ ഡോൾഫിനേറിയം ഒക്കെ കണ്ട് എൻജോയ് ചെയ്തു വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. അടുത്തത് ബേർഡ് ഷോ ആണ്. ഇതേ ആരൊക്കെ മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ?
Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum and good evening one more time. My name is Sid, you are?
I'm Cassius Bell.
Alright, we got some new friends coming up. Friends, these are called the golden pleasant chicken. This chicken is not meant to be eaten. They are one of the most clever chicken on the planet Earth.
And of course, joining us, the fourth largest parrots in the world to raise the UA flag. So we're gonna start.
Because we are celebrating all the way.
That's right. What is his name, bro?
Mr. Stas. Get ready for the excitement. We're gonna have the W back tomorrow. Coming up, let's go! You wanna help him?
No need, I'm tired.
You want to go? You want?
Yes,
He's so excited, so happy. Mr. Stas is only 2 years old also. Like Elvis. Let's say bye-bye to him. Thank you for joining us. We're going to take it up all the way. Get ready for the more excitement. It's time all about celebration. How about we do some magic? You like magic?
I love magic.
Okay. So we're done with the magic. I got a magic pack of cards. I need some volunteer, but wait. Hi, please come. Hi, please come. We're going to wait for you.
And also, please switch off all the flashes of your camera.
Yes.
Alright?
Please, everybody, switch on the flashlight in my interaction. I'll take the big ones later on. Okay, this boy, Sal, come here. The join this side and this side. One of the kids. Boy, come. Don't worry, I'm going to try to pick up many of you. This is only going to start. Turn around like this. Come and stand over here. Turn like this. Now, both the boys, I will give you a card. Take one picture and hide it. Okay? Don't show me. Take one. Don't show the DJ also. Hide it. One. Hide it. Hide it. Take, you have to take today. Hide it. Okay, now show your cards to everybody. Show everybody and hide, but don't show me. Okay, we're gonna put on the magic trick all set. You go, bro, you said you like magic, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, I will take the card from the kid, put it somewhere between the back of the card. Okay, sit down and sit down. So can you mix all the cards for me? Mix them. So that I even know where's the card. Okay, friends, now watch everybody. I will put the cards without showing the bird the picture. They say the bird will pick up the cards without looking. Tell me if it is right. Let's go, Superman, go!
By the way, how many cards we are looking for?
2.
So what is the first card?
It's a Macau. It's right? Whoa, it's right.
So what do you think about the second animal?
I saw it's a dinosaur.
A dinosaur.
Yeah.
That one?
It's a panda. It's right? Oh wow. You know, friends, this boy is really excited. Now tell everybody, you want to do some dancing? Okay, he wants to do some dancing. Today, he's going to dance for us. Today is the first time I will see him dancing also. So everybody clap your hands for Mr. Stas.
Wow, he got some moves.
Boy, come on.
Keep on dancing. How do you dance like Michael Jackson? See?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, come on, guys. Is he dance good?
What?
Yes.
What? You like his dance?
Dance really good, bro.
I can dance better than him.
Oh, come on.
Watch me. Let's go. Hey, watch me. Come on. Yes.
Oh, come on, bro. You know what? You better stop dancing because Istas is laughing at you.
Hey, he's laughing because he likes my dance.
How come?
Wait. Hey, you like it, right? My dance is good?
What is it? No.
Show me your dance again. Come on, let's go.
Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
So you think you are a better dancer than me? Are you good?
Of course he is.
And are you happy to meet all these lovely people?
Yeah.
Yes, everybody give a big round of applause. Take it up for him. It's time for him to go home. Please switch off the flashlight. It's distracting the board. Thank you, Ming. Thank you for the board. Friends, coming up is... Okay, can you give a little wave? Please come, please come. Coming up is... We call this bird coming all the way from the cartoon called Rio. How many of you have watched the cartoon Rio? Yes. Coming up is Rio, but this time joining is his wife also, Ria. So many of them tell you who's the boy and who's the girl.
We are talking about the toucan.
Yes. Okay, they say it's very simple. There is something in both the birds which you can look and tell me the boy and the girl very easily. There is something different between them. Tell me who is the boy Rio and who is the girl Ria. What is so special about them? The size. No. The tail. No. Okay, I will tell you what. Always remember, the one who always comes late is the girl. The one who's always early before time is the boy.
Girls, is that true? Why they said no?
Wait. Please stand up. What's your name, sir? Please stand up. You clap your hand. You agree with me, right? Yes, you agree with me, right?
Because tonight you will sleep outside.
Alright. We're gonna say bye-bye to that. That's the boy, that's the girl all the way. Alright. Thank you for the bird. We talk about happiness and joy. Pulling up all the way. Everybody get your cameras ready now. Coming up is a beautiful bird. He's a boy. He is only 9 months old. He comes all the way from an amazing place called Indonesia. This bird is an amazing boy. He likes to do some painting. Yesterday he painted the tallest building in the world, Burj Khalifa. Today, let's find out. Come on up, Mr. John.
Mr. John Picasso.
We are talking about the amazing Chris Cockatoo, friends. Now, Mr. John is an amazing boy because in the Chris Cockatoo, how you know the boy and the girl? The female will have a black eyes, always remember. But the boy will have a little red eyes. That's the difference between the cockatoo, the boy and the girl. Bro, he's doing something different.
Oh yeah?
It's
By the
not-
way, how many colors we are using today?
Today we're using, the colors also different, not like yesterday. Today we are using green, yellow, blue and red.
So what is the first color?
We start with color red, bro.
Don't tell me this is almost the colors of the rainbow.
Looks like, but I'm eager to find out what is he trying to
So
do.
do you have any idea what it looks like? Maybe you can ask them.
Kids, can anybody tell me what does the painting looks like? Anybody of you? It looks like a falcon. Is it a falcon? He's saying no. Any more guesses? Come on, take a guess. It looks like a dolphin? No, he's saying no also. For me, it looks like bird. Is it birds? No, say no. Alright, let's find out what is the last color is gonna splash and we're gonna find out. Because we have a genius guy out here who thinks he's really clever. Let's
Me, I
ask.
can see nothing.
Huh? Yeah, I will show you. You think you're a genius, right? Okay,
It's
that's
like
the
an Armstrong.
Yeah, it's a last color wedding. Let's clap your hands for it. Come on, let's give it up for John, only 9 months old boy.
I don't know what kind of.
Yeah, wait, we're gonna show it to you. Why are you excited? Wait. Okay, according to me, he said it's not a bird, it's not a dolphin, it's not a falcon.
Hold on. Let me check. I will help you. Upside down. Wow! This is the one I always eat every day. It makes me hungry. This is fruit.
What fruit?
Fruit salad. What's that?
Hey,
Asin.
is it fruit salad?
Oh.
Everybody love that. It's a fruit salad. Hey, which fruit salad? Say bye-bye to John. Thank you, Saki. Now friends, we talk about the painting and the love. Everybody get ready because this time coming is somebody amazing. Okay, this time joining is going to be a magician. Now before this, we just need one of the friends to join me. Okay, with this time you call girl the pink come. Yes, I will call, don't worry, many of you. Come darling. Hi, wow, you look really beautiful. What's your name? Abigail. My name is Sid Abigail. It's nice meeting you. Abigail, are you scared of birds?
No.
Okay, you're gonna be strong. Because this time you're gonna keep some food in your hand. There's a small bird who will just walk on your hand and eat the food. How old are you? Oh wow, you know when trainer Loy was also 9 years old, she became a trainer. So she will help you. Come. Okay, we need a helping hand, Loy, okay? Abigail is a little worried for the bird, but we should never get worried for them. Hold the food, don't shake your hand. Loy will keep a hand for you. Let's go. Aladdin, it's time to eat the food. Aladdin is a very good boy. Yes, look, you did it, Abigail. Everybody clap your hands for her. That's a perfect one. See, he's so friendly. Aladdin will fly home. Thank you, Abigail. We appreciate it. You can sit down, darling.
You cannot believe Miriam can play crocodile.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, this time I need one of the adults to come down. Elder, come. Okay, but wait, mommy, you will come down, but it should be with some money. Red color, orange color, or brown. Like 100, 200, or 500. Anything. Come just for game.
Euros, dollars, credit card is fine.
Yeah. Oh, we should have a machine. Yeah. Jewelry is gold. The higher the better. How much? 200. Please come down. We have a beautiful friend who's going to play with 200 dirham. Hey, you remember her?
Oh yeah.
She's the one who's dancing to the dolphin.
Yeah.
Come now. Now what's your good name? Okay, Ma'am Asma going to train Lloyd. Now everybody watch. Ma'am Asma is going to be holding the 200 dirhams in her hand. It is the biggest mistake of her life.
Remember, my friend, the bank is closed tomorrow.
Yes. So whatever happened to your money, it's not our fault. Raise your hand up because Ali Baba is coming. This Ali Baba, the twin brother, he's gonna walk. He's gonna pick up the 200. He's gonna run home. Money is gone. Kalas.
Yes, this is how we collect our salaries.
Yes. Huh? You take the bird. Then take us also into.
So brother, what do you think? So do we have to give the money back? What do you think?
What?
Do we have to give the money back?
Hey, Lloyd, what do you think? No, right? How many of you think we should give Ma'am Asma the money back? You think? Come pay her. Let's keep it. Come on, raise your hand. We're just kidding all the way. All right, let's see what Ma'am Asma is going to get in return. Maybe 400 dirham or a gift voucher. Hey, it's a gift voucher. Close your hand. Close your hand.
I'm very excited, see. What is inside? Come on.
Because the management told me that we are giving lots of gift vouchers. Bro, it says it's going to be a lovely evening. Look inside.
Okay.
Why?
Open up.
I'm very excited to know what's.
You give me a big smile, bro. What is inside? What it says?
He says, thank you for your donation. Hey, bring the money back. Hey, bring the money back. You have to be kind. The kids are watching us. He's going to drop the money. Everybody close your hands. Clap your hands. Come on, let me go. All right, thank you, man. We appreciate it. There you go. Okay, we talk about joy and happiness now. Who wants to win a prize? Put your hands up. Who likes gifts? Yeah, we all like gifts. You know what? They say you don't get a gift like this. You have to earn a prize. So what we're going to do to earn a prize, we will do a magic. Are you with me, bro?
All the time.
Can you give me the magic ball? Now, friends, watch carefully. My friends always believe in magic when I do it. Let's see if you can catch me because they can never catch me. I will keep a ball in the center. Whoever will catch me now, you will get a prize right away.
And today we will give you iPhone 12.
What,
It's still not in the market.
what are we giving?
iPhone 12, bro.
Wow. Okay, watch. I will cover the ball in the cup. 2 empty cups. Watch carefully, everybody. Eyes on the ball. 1, 2, 3. Where's the ball? No, you have to sit down and tell me. But if you get up, you will miss your prize. Okay, let's try one more time. The prize will be yours. Watch. It's a magic game. It's not simple. We're gonna try one more time. 1,
So you have
2.
to be focused.
Where is it? Huh?
Of course, everybody knows, bro, because you mix very slow. Come
Okay. Now we start the game. Ready?
Bro.
Very fast.
You have to do it fast,
Yeah,
alright?
yeah, yeah. Ready? 1,
You have to impress me, okay?
2,
Ready?
and go!
What is this? Faster! Faster, more faster. Yes, yes, faster. Yes, yes. Sure. You dropped the ball, bro.
Where?
On the floor. There.
Oh.
You know what? You don't know how to hide the ball.
What?
You don't know how to hide the ball.
Hey, I forgot to put the magic powder.
Okay.
Abracadabra. Ready? 1, 2, here we go!
Wow, this is what I'm talking about, bro. Okay, keep going, and stop.
You know, bro,
Yeah.
there is something special. When I was in my school,
Uh-huh.
I had a very good friend of mine. My friend is still at the moment.
Where is the ball?
What?
What is this? Why everybody pointing at me? Do I look like a ball?
Bro. But, hey, wait. How you will all shout out and give prize? Only one. Batman. Batman. Yes. What's your name?
Ajish,
Where's the ball?
it's with him.
Huh?
Mom.
With him.
With him?
Yes.
No, you can ask my mom.
Hey, if he has the ball, what is this?
Another ball.
Hey, no, how about tomorrow? What do we will give?
Tomorrow we'll give iPhone 13, bro. Alright, clap a hand for the third girl, Blue Macau, Mr. Blue! The real magician will find where is the ball. Bro, I kept the ball in the middle cup. No boy, in the middle, yes. Let's see if we can find it out.
Where you keep?
In the middle.
Middle.
Hey, look, he found it!
Oh, come on, why you help him? Let's do it one more time.
You
Come on.
You think I'm cheating?
Yeah, Ashashing.
This time we will call somebody among you to cheat. Cut, let's go. What's your name? Okay, now friends, I will not mix the cup. She will be the one to mix the cup. Come here, I will help you. Okay, the ball is in the middle cup. All that you have to do is just mix the cups, okay? Go, mix the cup.
Slide it in your pocket, come on.
You have to finish today. Done? Give me a high five. Go back to your seat. Now friends, let's see if the bird can find the ball this time. Because she's the one who mixed the cup. Alright, let's go.
Let's talk about the real magic. What's him? And what's this?
Hey! See, you know how did the bird find the ball? Because these birds have eyes like an X-ray. They can see the object behind the door also. Especially, these birds can recognize the ladies when they are pregnant very easily. Okay, let's play his favorite game. How about playing some bicycle? Bro, do you have a bicycle?
A lot.
Where is it?
Outside.
And Alu also has one. In Philippines.
Flat tire.
Come on, keep going. Everybody clap your hands. Push, push, push. Come on.
Keep going.
How about one more round?
Yes, 1 kilometer away to finish line. You know, exercise is very good. Am I right?
Yeah.
It's really good in our healthy body.
They say you should do an exercise every day, bro. Look, he wants to play with the other families. Hey, come on, let's go one more round, then you can go and play with the other birds also. Come on now. Yeah, come. Oh, from there they have looking good. Okay, yes, come. And this girl come. Oh, look, she looks like Princess Madonna. Come, stand here. Okay, that's it. All kids go and stand at the table. Come. You're doing nothing. Come and do something. Okay, stand here. Now these kids will be getting a free class how to be a trainer. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Come on up, the rainbow lolly kids. We talk about rainbow because this time coming the one of the beautiful birds in the world. These birds are having all 7 colors with your brother. Together, yeah, man. How you know the boy and the girl in there? Remember, the one with the long tail is the boy. The one with the short tail is the girl in there. The one who is naughty this side is the girl. The smart is the boy that side.
The smart one is the boy.
Yeah. These birds like to eat fruits only. They eat only fruits. Today they're drinking apple juice. Pulling up all the way, building up a relationship. Yes, thank you. Sit down, sit down.
But of course, in the wild, they love to drink nectars as well.
Yes. Hi, what's your name? What's your name?
Also, Edward and Bella are found in Australia.
You know, Taslin has got a very good hair clip, bro.
Yeah.
Will you give me for one day?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, give me high five. You're a good girl. There you go. Hey, you sit down. We're gonna have all the kids feeding them up. What's your name? Huh? Elika. Yours?
Despite of their size, they can live up to 30 to 45 years.
Yes, and we also have a lost property. Where is the remote control for this car? Then you can also try. Okay, we take it straight. Let's go. Keep going. Come on, pull it up all the way. Thank you, Princess. Australia. This is Princess Sophia. Sophia loves to play basketball.
White-crested cockatoo are famous in Australia, Papua New Guinea, and of course Indonesia. They live in the groups and they can live up to 60 to 100 years of age.
Yes.
Divided in 4 colors, some of this is black, gray, white, and pink. They really love to eat some fruit, seeds, nuts, and berries.
Now pulling up your tongue with the Chris Cockatoo. She is 3 years old and she loves to play all the time. These birds like to eat watermelon seeds, sunflower seeds, and some fruits. Now friends, remember I told you the cockatoo has a black eyes. Who is she? A girl. So she's got a black eye. So she is a girl, and that is very Lord. We say goodbye to them. Bye bye. Friends, it's time this bird because this bird is really amazing and clever. From South Africa, the African grey parrot, Coco.
So let's pump up a little bit. The African grey parrots are not only good in talking, but of course Coco is really good in dancing.
That's it. Let's go. Shake, dance, yay. Michael Jackson move, moonwalk.
Wow, he can dance better than Stas.
Yay. Shake it, right and left, right and left. Yay! Good boy!
Shake your head, come on, dance with Michael Jackson.
You're calling me Michael Jackson?
Yeah. Look at the way.
Okay, now we're gonna show you how clever these birds are, why they're called the #1 parrot. These birds like to play a game. He's gonna play a game with 2 teams, red versus blue. Bro, which team you want, red or blue?
Red.
Okay, I will be with the blue team. Now, who wants to play with the DJ red team? Put your hands up.
The champion.
Okay, who wants to play with my team? Blue. Whoever's my team, we will lose. Okay, we'll lose, yeah.
Yes, you will lose.
Play.
Because whoever finishes last is the winner.
No, how come?
Of course, that is the rule.
This is the first time I've heard this rule.
Red. Then blue. And of course, the champion is red.
Red?
Yes.
Wait, we will ask them. According to you, which team is the winning team, the red or blue?
Red.
Hey, according to the bird, no team is the winning team because the bird, the seal and dolphin cannot see color. They are colorblind. We're gonna play the game basketball.
Bring the action.
How is all about the basketball?
You should be a good shooter like Michael Jordan.
How about RA?
Yes, it's really good also playing basketball.
There you go. Okay. Now all the kids, look what you have to do every day. If you do this, your mommy and your daddy will like you too much. What is it?
Do you think so? This is cleaning.
Yeah.
So we have to keep our place always clean to stop this phenomenal climate change.
I I don't know about others, but my mom will like it. That's right. Everybody, we're gonna send Coco home. Let's say bye-bye and see you home. Okay, now comes the big question. How many of you are married? Put your hands up. Happy, not hands up. Okay, perfect. Put your hands down. You know what? The trainers who are coming now, they say the birds who are coming, the married couples can find out easily the husband and the wife. I will not tell you how it is, the eyes, the tail. You look at them and tell me according to you, who is the husband and who is the wife. Coming up now, the beautiful, happy couple. Come on out. Alright, where are you? There they are. Look at them. Tell me who is the boy and who is the girl according to you. This is the boy, that is the girl. You agree? Who's the boy, who's the girl? Baba. Yes, both of you, anybody, married couple, huh? Yes. Yeah, I will tell you how.
No boy.
Huh?
They are both girls.
Who?
The trainers.
No, we are talking about the... Hey, stop looking at the trainers. I will tell you, friends, who is the boy and who is the girl. Yes, that is the girl because she's pink in color. This is the boy. You know why?
Why?
Because boys are more handsome than the girls.
Yeah. Come on, Sid. You have to ask them. Come on.
How many of you agree with me? Boys are better than girls. This guy is surely sleeping outside tonight, bro. Pulling up all the way. No, we are always equal, and everybody clap for the girls' power. Because without girls, we are nothing, especially for our mothers. They are working 365 days for us, but they never take day off and they are never tired. So let's say bye-bye and bring respect to all the mothers. Thank you and bye-bye.
So this time, bro, let's talk about the national birds of UAE.
Yes, but wait, before that, tell me what is the national bird of your country, Philippines?
It's an eagle, Philippine eagle.
Huh?
Philippine eagle.
Oh, that's good.
How about the national birds of India?
Oh, the national bird of India, they call it one of the most beautiful birds in the world.
What is that?
It's called crow.
Crow.
Yeah, crow. Really
Hold
good.
on, is this right? What is the national birds of India? Excuse me.
What peacock?
Peacock.
Let's tell you something. You know what? When I go to India, I don't see peacock anywhere. But when I go take the first day airport, I see crow everywhere. Okay.
You know who is coming?
Who?
It's Andre the Giant.
Yes, I know. So everybody, put your cameras ready. No flashlight. We are introducing it today for the very special time only for you. The largest bird eagle in the world. Get ready. All right, coming up, the handsome boy, the big papa. It's all the way. Everybody clap your hands for him. Today is the first time he's meeting all the lovely people. And he is a lovely boy. He's well trained and he's always happy.
He weighs about 7 kilos.
Yes, he's an amazing boy. Now friends, remember, the Android giant Stellar seabird is the only one bird in the whole of Dubai. So let's give it up for him right here at the 3-Park Bird Show.
The female is more bigger.
Yes, why they are different, why the female is bigger? Not because the females are eating too much. It's because when they have babies, the father always wants to eat their own babies up. But the mother needs to fight back to protect their own kid. That's why the females are bigger eagle. That is the papa, the mama is sleeping as always. Alright friends, now it's a special offer today. We're going to give you the opportunity to hold the big eagle. Who wants to hold it and take a picture? Now whoever wants to hold it, it's going to be a lifetime experience. To hold the picture, we have two positions. Position number 1, it's going to be up in the air, like this. We're going to hold the birds up in the air wearing a gloves. Position number 2, it's going to be on the stand. We have a professional photographer, he's all the way from Singapore. He's going to click the picture, he's going to print and give it to you. Now picture with a Stellar Sea Eagle, it's a lifetime experience. We are giving a special discount to hold the bird. We introduced it for 150, but today we are giving it only for 100 dirhams. Plus, with the picture, we will give you a food which you can feed the bird. This Android, everybody, let's say bye-bye to him. Let's say goodbye. Yes, he's going to go home. He's going to be waiting outside out there to take a picture with you. Now, friends, if you don't want to hold the big eagle, you can still hold the... Yes. We're going to show you how you're going to feed them all the time if you're going to be a trainer. Always take the right position. Keep your hands upright. When you raise it up, they will come flying all the way. This is the position. No, I'm just showing you that's how you feed them. Okay, friends, remember all the time. Now, who wants to take a picture with a big giant eagle? Will sit over here because the trainer will assist you. She will give you all the way. Now, we come to the end of the show. Everybody give yourself a big round of applause. That's the handsome DJ. That's the photographer. That's all our working team all the way. Friends, thank you so much for joining us Big Fun Bird Show. Wishing everybody a lovely blessing and wishing you a happy, prosperous 47th National Day. Bye-bye. Good night.